They're probably tongue and grooved in there. I don't think I have a bigger pry bar, but you're welcome to use any of those screwdrivers, or even if you're using them to fulcrum your pry bar. Alrighty, sir, you're chewing it out of there.
Oh, very interesting.
Looks like they just laid it right over a carpet or something, huh?
Yeah, right over there.
This would save them the trouble of lifting it up.
Carpet's over concrete.
You want me to get a knife in case you need to cut that out?
I can cut it, but
I mean, just to see if there's...
yeah, I got a knife.
Well, there probably isn't a moisture barrier.
No, there's no moisture barrier there. It's after 17,000 inspections. This is probably
this is the
only
first?
It's not the first, but there have only been a couple.
Well, that would explain why it's been holding water.
Yeah, that certainly would.
Gosh, I wonder if they did something similar. I mean, it's probably not the similar type carpet, if there was carpet on the other.
Right.
I'm just, I mean, it raises another.
Well, more the question over there is a moisture barrier.
Right. But, along those same lines, there's also moisture retention, not just moisture barrier. And then, because the moisture retention could lead to some other issues. Anyway, look, I'm just kind of rattling out my concerns. It's like going, all right, just, because it gets wet. It gets wet, and then it throws off a smell, and it smells funky, dude. And
Well, now you know why.
then my home smells funky, and I'm sitting there going, gosh, my home smells funky. Okay.
Okay, well, would you like your piece of carpet?
You just lay it back down there. Does that feel moist?
It's not. It's probably dried out by now.
Just trying to.
Maybe a little bit. Let me put a different meter on that.
Well, it smells like the smell I've been smelling.
I bet.
Yep. Yeah, it feels a little moist yet. I'm sure it was solid wet at one point.
It's wet.
Thank you. I'll deal with that. Just leave that. I'm gonna run a vacuum and tidy up and all that before I slide the furniture back.
Well, I can tell you that installing laminate floor over carpeting is not part of the plan. And I don't know any guidelines that allows that. There are none.